What is the tragedy of the commons? What are some examples of commons? Asked by Vernita Donk, last updated 20 March 2020. Category: Family and Relationships. Bereavement. 4. 7/5. 1670. Views. 22 votes. Solutions to the tragedy of the commons include the imposition of private property rights, government regulation, the development of a collective action arrangement. Historical examples of tragedies of the commons include the collapse of the North Atlantic cod fisheries and the extinction of the dodo bird. Click to see full answer thereof. What is an example of the tragedy of the commons? Examples. The tragedy of the commons is often brought up when people discuss environmental issues. For example, in fishing, if fishing provides an income, then each fisher would have his or her own best interest in mind, and try to catch as many fish as possible even if all the other fishers are doing the same thing. Also, what is the meaning behind the tragedy of the commons? The tragedy of the commons is a problem that occurs when individuals exploit a shared resource to the extent that demand overwhelms supply and the resource becomes unavailable to some or all. Depletion of non-renewable resources is an example of the tragedy of the commons in action. Also to know, what is an example of a commons?